Hi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi.
It's raining. A lot.
It just raining.
And hard.
It's hailing.
There was hail, yeah. Oh yeah, there is a little bit of hail. What the hell, man? Ha 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 ha. Ha. Wow.
Come into the kitchen. It's way louder.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, because of the...
Oh. Whoa. The heck, man? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Look, it looks like it snowed. All I can say is thank goodness that we don't have hail the size of golf balls or baseballs here.
Yeah. So far.
Holy cow. Oh, the poor tomatoes. So just to let you guys know, this weather is not normal. We are headed out to dinner. Mom is here. And it's Father's Day, so I have taken it easy today. And actually, Angie put on my favorite movie for me.
Wait.
The Goonies. Yay! Oh, I'm so hungry. I could eat 3 burritos and 2 tacos and a tostada.
I could eat
I know.
24 chickens.
24 chickens?
I'm just kidding.
Wow, that's a lot of chicken. Well, that was a good meal.
Yeah, me running up there. I know you see me. I was right there, goddamn.
Wow.
They don't care what.
Wow. So much drama. It is Lakewood. Alrighty. You in?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go home in the rain.
Kind of, she slipped in. But that feels good though, huh?
So Mom and Angie are sitting back watching some older vlogs to where Angie and I were more fit than we are today. And Buffy and Coda were more spry. Coda didn't have a flap yet. So, all in all, it was a good Father's Day. I received 2 cards. One from Angie and one from Phoenix. And Phoenix's card was a farting card, so that was fun. But look at this. It's so awesome. I'm so proud of my boy. Anyway. So, I want to make a very quick edit. You don't even have to turn this off because I'm just going to say goodnight and we'll see everybody tomorrow. Alright, good night, guys. Whoa, sorry, Buffy. Oh, I know you want to say goodnight too, huh? Good night. Coda, you're saying goodnight to the wrong person. Coda. Coda. Good night. Woof.
Happy Father's Day, everybody.
Aw.